I'm going to show you how to make chicken mafé with sorrel.
This mafé is rich in umami. It has intense flavors of peanuts, tomato, and spices. The sorrel or the lemon juice brings a tangy touch that enhances the dish. Start by marinating 1 pound of chicken fresh. Cut them into large pieces. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Put them with the chicken. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Also put it with the chicken. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, half teaspoon of salt. Grate 1/3 of the nutmeg. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well. The starch helps keep the meat tender when cooking. Let sit for at least 30 minutes, ideally overnight. Cut 2 onions into chunks. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Also cut into pieces 2 peppers and 5 ounces of sorrel. If you don't have any, you can use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Preheat a frying pan over high heat. When it is hot, add the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Spread them over and let them sear for 2 minutes. Flip them over and leave for another 2 minutes. Then briefly stir and keep aside, leaving the oil in the pan. Still over high heat, add the onion and the garlic. Stir for 1 minute. Turn to low heat and add 5 ounces of tomato paste, half teaspoon of ground pepper, half tablespoon of cumin, and 1/3 of a nutmeg. Regularly stir for 10 minutes. This strengthened cooking allows the tomato and onion to reduce in water. The flavors concentrate and the spices release their aromas. This base is rich in flavor and umami, and you don't need to add the stock cubes. Add the peppers, 1 pound of canned tomatoes, 5 ounces of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Turn to high heat until mixing everything well. You can add 1/3 cup of water if the preparation seems too thick. Turn to low heat and let simmer for 5 minutes with the lid. Then add the chicken, mix, and simmer over low heat and cover it for 20 minutes. On the flavors mix and give a rich taste. The chicken pieces continue to cook slowly and soak up the sauce. Stir from time to time to prevent the bottom from burning. Then add the sorrel. Stir. And let it cook for 4 minutes. Mix and turn off the heat. You can enjoy the mafé with plantain bananas. Steam them for 20 minutes. And also with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The dish is really flavorful with a thick and creamy sauce. The sorrel infused at the end of cooking, bringing a balanced taste that enhances the whole dish. It is so good that you want to have more. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.